Time always flows amid the hustle and bustle. We long for a corner where we can slow our pace. Let the heart settle and lay to rest all weariness and longing. A gentle touch awakens a miracle born of water. It transforms into curling wisps of mist, no longer an ordinary fog. Instead, it becomes negative ions of freshness you can see, infusing every deep breath with purity and safety. Health becomes a silent verse in the air. Light has come to life, this flickering flame. It is a moving sculpture in the home, a silent rhythm within the space. It can be tranquil, it can be passionate, changing with your mood. No compromises are needed here. Aesthetics attain absolute freedom. And on a small screen, you can trace tonight's spectrum of emotions that belongs solely to you. When speech fades and stories pause, genuine companionship starts to make itself felt. Silent and wordless, it feels as if it speaks countless tales, witnessing tender moments and safeguarding dreams. It fills the word home with warmth and light, making it feel more real and comforting.